Your client is paying for a chatbot, a scheduling tool, and a review platform. This one system replaces all three. Open up a typical local business dashboard. There's a chatbot they pay for, a scheduling tool that they pay for, and a review management platform that they pay for. Lead comes in through the chatbot. The business owner copies the information into the scheduling tool manually. After the appointment, they remember or forget to log into the review tool and send a request. It's inefficient, it's fragmented, and together, those three tools are costing them anywhere from $400 to $600. Here's what one unified system looks like. A visitor chats in. The system qualifies them. What they're looking for, their timeline, their budget. Based on the answers, it books the appointment directly. No handoff, no copy paste. After the appointment, the system sends a review request automatically. If the response is positive, it routes to Google. If there's an issue, it flags it internally before it becomes a public complaint. The CRM is updated throughout. One flow, one retainer. No disconnected tools. For your agency, this is a straightforward upgrade conversation. Your client stops paying for the three tools they barely manage. You take over for one monthly fee. You keep the margin. FlowView builds the system underneath. Comment unified and I'll walk you how this is structured.